Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you a quick tutorial on how to buy Axies on Axie Origin marketplace by funding your account through Binance Exchange. By the way, if you don't have Binance account, check video description for the sign up link to register. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your Binance account on your web browser, go to the Fiat and Spot tab, and click on the Withdraw button. The easiest and cheapest way is to deposit SLP or Smooth Love Potion into your Ronin wallet. So make sure you have SLP already. Select SLP as the coin you want to withdraw. Here, you enter your Ronin wallet. So just click the Ronin wallet extension on the upper right corner of your web browser and make sure you are logged on. Then you copy your wallet address. Select Ron Network. Please note, if you are transferring your asset to your Ronin wallet, please replace the address prefix like this. After replacing your prefix, copy the address again and paste it here. Next is to enter the amount. Make sure you select where you want to get the SLP. I will use my SLP under funding wallet. For security reasons, and if it's your first time sending, always do a test amount to confirm that you can receive it. Let me send a test amount of 200 SLP. Click Withdraw and continue. Let me finish this verification questionnaire. Double check the address and network for you to be sure. Once verified, tap Continue and complete Binance verification and hit Submit. Great, so I have submitted my withdrawal request. Let's wait for a few minutes to get it approved and receive on my Ronin wallet.
A few moments later.
After a few minutes, I was able to receive the test amount, so I will send the remaining SLP into my Ronin wallet now. Just repeat the process.
A few inches later.
After a few minutes, I've successfully received my SLP deposit. It's time to buy Axies. I have picked some Axies already in the marketplace before transferring funds. Just click Buy button here. Now you can buy Axies using AXS, SLP, ETH, and USDC coins. Let me pick SLP. Click Approve with. By the way, you will need to have RON token for Ronin wallet gas fee. Let me show you how to buy Axies using SLP. Great, I've successfully bought a Beast Axie. Just refresh your inventory after a few minutes for you to see it. Let me buy one more Beast Axie. Just repeat the process. That's how easy and simple it is to buy Axies on Axie Origin Marketplace. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, smash the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more NFT game video tutorials. See you in my next video.